Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, creative minds. Today, we're diving into a truly unexpected topic, playing Clash of Clans on the piano. Now, before you imagine trying to tap on a grand piano to deploy troops, let me assure you, it's not quite like that. We are exploring a completely unique artistic interpretation of the game, one that genuinely captures its spirit. This is indeed the only way to play it this year, in a truly expressive form. To start, think about your favorite parts of the game. Perhaps it's a thrilling attack, a clever defense, or even the calm moments of base building. What feelings do these actions evoke in you? Next, consider how you might translate those emotions into sound. A powerful drum beat for a barbarian king charge, or a gentle melody for a tranquil village scene. This is where your musical intuition truly takes over. Now for the gameplay itself. Think of your left hand as your steadfast village, perhaps playing a consistent, low chord progression. Your right hand then becomes your troops, attacking and defending, weaving intricate melodies and swift runs across the keys. Let the music guide you, reflecting the chaos and strategy of a full-scale raid or a last-second defense. Each note can be a warrior, a spell, or a triumphant victory. To elevate your musical interpretation, try incorporating more advanced tactics. Maybe a minor key for a desperate defense, or a triumphant major chord for a 3-star win. You can even use sharp, staccato notes to mimic the sound of arrows firing, or a sweeping arpeggio for a powerful wizard spell. The goal is to let the piano become a canvas, reflecting the dynamic and thrilling world of Clash of Clans through pure sound. So there you have it, the only true way to play Clash of Clans on the piano in 2025. It's not about button presses, but about artistic expression, about translating the vibrant energy and strategic depth of the game into a rich, personal musical experience. This method invites you to transcend the screen and truly immerse yourself in the world of Clash through your own unique sound. Go ahead, give it a try, and let your imagination soar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.